shit. You gotta then if you get caught up, getting caught. Now you got a record, even though you get the time, the record follows you because you can't get a job. Come on, you want to continue to live in a society like that? I guess you do. Jake?
It's a society where you have to rob people to pay tolls.
Yo, you gotta
borrow off of what you borrowed to make a payment, what you gotta borrow back to make another payment, and what you gonna owe for the rest of your life.
Yup. You gotta borrow people, you gotta borrow to the pay toll, man. You gotta borrow from Jack to pay food. Yup. That's how it is, man.
And you owe. You owe to the point where you know how foul he is? He's so foul. When you die, you take your debt and give that shit to your kids, man. He passed your debt on to your children. So if you die and you owe credit card bills,
he like, you gonna give me my money.
Your kid's gonna have to pay for it.
Yeah, somebody gonna send me my money. But that's all he care about,
He's
money.
Man.
Yeah, he just uses, and the thing is, it's all paper. It's not even real. It had no value anyway. Right. But he just used that as an excuse to do evil on the earth.
That's it.
That's just an excuse. That money, man, to do his evil and wickedness. That's a big tool that he used to do it. Which is agenda, that money, man.
Mine.
Yeah.
Mine. It's all mine. I want it.
And even and the thing is, he got the world and still not enough. Now he wants souls. He like, I gotta get y'all souls now. Then that's not enough. He gonna be like, I need the brain. No, he gonna be like, he want the position of the Most High now.
That's why he want to chip you.
That's why the scripture said his heart is set in God. Now he want the position of the Most High. He got everybody's soul. Now he like, I want to be like the Most High.
That's it. I want to create a humanity.
Yeah, I want to create. I want to make animals.
That's what he gonna do. He gonna do that. Not control this shit. He gonna do it. We put him on potato chips.
Right.
Hit you with them Frito Lays and dip. People be free.
I was thinking about this song they had in the night I think in the 90s. Talking about don't take that shit. That song, yeah. That's a more accurate representation, man. See? No.
Come on.
Yeah. Because that's the spirit. You know what? We can wrap it up with Revelation, Mark. Yeah. That's why I kept thinking about the song. They kept saying, don't take this. I'm telling you, hey, dude, I heard it. I just heard it. I'm like, oh, yeah, I remember that song.
You sure?
Yeah. They said, don't take this.
Who made it? Michael?
Yeah, don't.
If you find it, send it to me.
Look at this shit. Look what Esau doing. I can't read it. I don't know.
14. This Revelation is 13 and 14. And he deceiveth them. I could do mine, right?